It's John with Total Knee Coach, and I want to show you an easy modification that you can do with your walker if you're having a hard time getting through some narrower spaces. So I've set my door to be a little bit narrower than normal. I've got my walker here, and my wheels don't fit through the door. So what do I have to do? Well, a lot of people, what I see, trying to kind of go through sideways and maybe get tripped up. There's an easier, better way to do that. If you look at the walker itself, you see the wheels are on the outside. However, these are designed that I can just clip this off of this side. I can clip this off of this side and swap them. I'm going to put them back in the same holes they were in before. For this one, it'll be hole number 5. Super quick, super easy. Now, I have my walker wheels on the inside, and that's bought me a couple inches of clearance. So now, through the same door, I can walk on through.